everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video I'll try to do the always on display functionality, all the tips and tricks and all the features related to the Redmi Note 10 Pro device. So let's see friends, what are the things you'll be getting in this Redmi Note 10 Pro. And the advantage with the Redmi Note 10 Pro is that you do get the Super AMOLED panel display, which will give you the extra benefits like the always on display functionality. So you won't find this always on display in the IPS LCD panels. You'll be getting only in the Super AMOLED panels and the normal AMOLED panel displays. So this will save a lot of battery as well. So let's see friends, in this phone what are the options you'll be getting in this always on display functionality. And I'll be doing so many videos on this Redmi Note 10 Pro and other smartphone which I have received, the Poco F3 device as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. And this is the variant which I'm using, is a global variant of the Redmi Note 10 Pro. So this is a phone which I borrowed for only for the next couple of days, so that's why I was able to do only few videos on this model, unfortunately. But let's see friends, I'll be try to cover all the topics related to this phone. So make sure to comment below what are your queries regarding this phone. So let me try to go to this always on display functionality. You can find in the display, go to the always on display. So let me try to enable the options. I did enable the option. As soon as you enable the option, you can choose the display times. So what time to what time you can have the always on display functionality, or you can use your custom image as well as a always on display. That's also another bonus advantage. You can even write a custom image and custom text, all the things. So if you have any image from your gallery, you can select image from the gallery as well. So right now I don't have any kind of images in the gallery, so I did click apply, as you can see. So you can even rearrange the clock position wherever you want as well. This is how it looks, as you can see friends. So that's another good thing. Even if you want, you can enable the step counter as well. That's also another advantage if you want to have. So these are the first things about the custom image. And next is a signature, so which means you can add I think your own text here. So if you want, you can add your own text, or if you want, you can use your own all the predetermined text as well, as you can see in the always on display. So this is how it will pop up friends. Keep calm and carry on. So this is a very good always on display functionality. Before the Realme phone, this is the first phone which I like particularly about the always on display options. But right now, after the Realme UI 2.0 update, it's completely changed in the Realme phones. I did a video on that one, how you can actually customize. You can create your own patterns friends. So that's available in this video. Make sure to check that video. So I did you can create your own patterns and your own theme. That's the next level customization is there in the Realme UI 2.0. So make sure to subscribe and follow me for this kind of interesting tips. And first is all this kind of signatures, and next is the analog clocks. You do have this kind of different clocks which are available here. So which is kind of live clock, I think live clock, animated clocks, as you can see. This is a kind of animated things are going on. So this is a normal digital clock if you want to choose from digital, all these things. So many options, and selecting the background as well with the clock and the background, as you can see friends. And even the MIUI 12.5 update, all the animated always on displays you can download if you want. So there's so much of options which are available from the theme store as well. If you want, you can download all these themes. So these are the few things about the always on display functionality in this Redmi Note 10 Pro. So you do have the always on display in the Redmi Note 10 Pro, so no need to worry at all. So for more videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for this kind of interesting tips and tricks on this phone. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.